Hello respected parents and dear students. This video is regarding your half-yearly examination which is going to start from 28 September 2020. There are some guidelines for both the parents and the students which you have to listen carefully and follow as well. Okay, so let me tell you what are the guidelines. So the very first one, the examination will be conducted online. Okay, and the students will be live during the time allotted for students. Okay, so exam will be conducted online, that is on GeoMeet, and on which you are attending your live classes. Okay, and the timing will be allotted to the students when you will get the timetable. Okay, the teacher will be there to watch and to help the students during the live examination. Of course, the examination will be live, so your teacher will be there to observe you. So any kind of problem you will have, you can take the help of the teacher, but not for asking the questions. Okay, students will give the examination on the answer sheet provided from the school. Yes, this point is I'm here to explain you that you know that you are getting the question paper and the answer sheet from the school, so you will have to give the examination on that particular sheets. Okay, now students will have to be attentive 10 minutes before the allotted time with all the requirements needed during examination, and should write subject name, class and page number on every answer sheet. Okay, so you all will be attentive 10 minutes before. Okay, 10 minutes before you have to be attentive with all your stuff, whatever you need during the examination, like water bottle, your pencil box, pen box, okay, color box, skates, everything, whatever the stuff you need except the books and copies. Okay, so that you don't have to keep with yourself. And yes, these are the things you have to keep with yourself before 10 minutes. No one will be allowed to leave the place. Okay, and very important thing that you should write subject name, class and page number on every answer sheet. Okay, like you are going you will get the answer sheet. Okay, there are 4 pages in one sheet. Okay, so the very first page, so there will be page number. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to mention like this. This is your name. Okay, you will write name and then class, subject. Okay, and then you will write your yes, page number. So these are the information which you have to mention. Okay, on your every sheet of the answer sheet, means there are 4 pages, so you will mention. If you are taking only one sheet, you will write 1 on the first one, second on the second, third on the third one, and like this. Okay, so it's not that you will write only your name only on the first one. You will have to write it again and again on every pages whatever you are taking. Clear? Now parents will open the seal of question paper. Very important thing, this is for the parents especially. Okay, as you are getting the question papers earlier, so it should not be like this that you have opened it and seen the questions. No, it will not be like this. The parents will have to open the seal of the question paper, of the envelope which you will get during the live classes. Okay, and when you will come live, then only you will have to open it. Yes, when instructed by the teacher, and will give to their students. After it, the parents will have to leave the room. Okay, so the dear parents, when you will open the seal and then you will give the question paper to your ward, and then you will leave the room. Okay, it means that they will sit alone and they will give the examination. Students will not leave the place while giving examination, right? You will have to stay there only wherever you are. So the examination is only for 1.5 hours. So whatever, if you have to go to washroom or drink water, whatever you have to do it before or afterwards, after the examination, right? Next, if any student study material related to the subject is found around the students, then the child will be eliminated during the live examination. Okay, yes, that is the thing, that whatever the stuff earlier I have told you in the previous guideline, that you have to keep all the stuff with yourself except the books and copies. Okay, so study material, it means that you will only have your answer sheet. Okay, and your pencil box or color box and these things with yourself. No any books or copies will be there. After the allotted time is over, the students will have to click clear pictures of answer sheet and will have to send it in examination hall group. Okay, you will give the examination on GeoMeet, right? And when the timing will be over, you will get 10 minutes for clicking the picture of your answer sheet, and you will send it in the examination hall group on WhatsApp. On WhatsApp you will have a group, and in that group you have to send your answer sheet, okay, in a proper way. And if possible, try to make it as in a PDF form, okay? If you are able to do that, try to make it in a PDF form, so that the pages will not be will not come first one will come after the on the second number or third, like this, okay? Now students will be given extra 10 minutes for submitting their answer sheet. That is what I have said here. 1 hour 30 minutes is over, then you will get 10 minutes for clicking the picture and sending the answer sheet, okay? Now exam rules are very strict and important part, so it must be considered with priority, and any type of negligence is not acceptable. Yes, of course, very important and necessary thing is this, that this examination or any examination is conducted just for your good, not for us, okay? So this is an assessment. You can consider it the assessment, you can consider it as a self assessment which you are doing, okay? So we will not be there in front of you to observe you, to watch you, and the classes are also going on like this only, that on live or WhatsApp we are sending you the videos and PDFs. So the thing is that your studies are still going on, and you are that giving extra times, whereas I know, rather than the previous years when we were used to come to school. So you must assess yourself by giving this examination, not opening any book or copy, and just whatever you have learned till now, just give the answers and just see that what your results are coming, how many differences are there from the earlier previous year and this year, okay? So this is all about your examination. So just be honest and give your best. That is all I want to say. All the best. Thank you.